vase that I found at the dollar store. No, actually a vase, whatever. I found it actually at the thrift store. So this was a thrift store find, and I only paid $2 for this vase. So it is just a plain clear vase with like these little lines and stuff in it. I did wash it and I cleaned it. So now I'm going to dry it off, and I'm going to take it outside, and I'm going to spray paint it a metallic silver color. So let's take it outside and spray paint it. So now that I have it outside, we are going to completely cover it in silver metallic spray paint. And I just sprayed all around until I had that even coating that I wanted it. I did not want it to be translucent, so I completely covered it with silver metallic spray paint, which I purchased from Walmart. This is what it looked like after I finished spray painting it completely. We left it sitting outside to dry because I did not want to handle the vase or vase, however you pronounce it, while it was wet. I wanted to completely dry before I brought it in. Here you're going to need a poly brush. I bought mine at Walmart or the dollar store, and it came in like a pack of 5. I can't remember which place I got it, but either or. And some Mod Podge. I had 2 different Mod Podge. I used the kind that had like a glitter finish, and I used a matte kind. Either or will work. It doesn't matter. And you're gonna need crushed glass. I purchased the crushed glass from my local Michael's. It only took about 2 of them, so you might need 2 packs, but you're gonna need a bowl so you can put the crushed glass into the bowl. Here you see me cutting it, and I'm going to transfer it into the bowl because it's easier to handle once I had all the crushed glass in a bowl. Here I am going to take a plastic plate, and I'm going to pour the Mod Podge on it because it'll be easier for me to dip the sponge in there and spread it onto the surface that I need the crushed glass to stick to. Now I'm going to just place Mod Podge over a small area of the vase. I kind of did it in like a little thin to thick layer, more thick than thin. So you want to make sure you put the glue on heavy. And once I did that, I took the crushed glass and I'm going to place it all over the area where I put the glue. You might want to wear gloves for this area because the crushed glass isn't sharp to touch, but the Mod Podge is sticky. Here I started putting the crushed glass, sprinkling over the bowl because it kind of got a little complicated putting the glass on it. Like sprinkle it over the, however I did it, but that got a little complicated. So I started doing it like this. You know, this was the part where I found it difficult, but you have to find a way to put this glass on whichever way works for you. Because it's such a big vase or vase, it just made it a little difficult for me to completely cover the spots without the glass getting everywhere. But I'm going to add more Mod Podge and just continue this all the way around and down the vase until I have the vase completely covered in glass. So here I'm going to shake any excess glass off from the first layer that I did to make sure I don't have the glass falling everywhere. But here I'm just showing you guys, I end up putting the glue on a little thicker because it made it a little easier for me to stick the glass to the side of the vase or vase. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, I apologize. But I end up applying a little thicker, and I end up having to use a blow dryer for the glue to dry faster because it was just taking too long to dry and I wanted to get this project done. You can skip the step, but it worked for me. And this is what it looks like after I completely covered the area of the vase in glass. Now that I have it completely covered, I am going to seal this with Mod Podge spray. I also purchased that from Walmart. You don't have to do this, but I'm doing this because of I'll show you why I'm doing it in the next step. But I'm going to spray Mod Podge spray over the whole thing, and I'll let that sit about an hour. After I completely sprayed the Mod Podge spray over it, I am going back through and looking for the spots where the glass did not take. You can either go back in and put more glass in those spots, or you can, avoid it and do this step, which I'm going to do, is apply glitter. I'm going to use two different glitters. One is a reflex glitter and one is a regular plain silver glitter. I also purchased both of those from Walmart, and you're going to need to apply that with Mod Podge spray, and a little small poly brush. And I'm going to fill the Mod Podge into the little areas where I did miss and sprinkle glitter over that. Here I'm going to put the Mod Podge onto a plate, and I'm going to dip the sponge into the Mod Podge and apply it in the little gaps of the vase where I missed applying the glass, and I'm going to sprinkle the glitter into those spots. And I'm going to repeat the step all the way around until I have it completely covered, alternating my different glitters, the reflex silver glitter and plain silver glitter. Once I have applied the glitter all over the vase, I'm going to seal that glitter with Mod Podge spray. And you guys, this is the completed project. I am absolutely in love with how this vase turned out. It came out absolutely gorgeous. It is Zgallerie inspired, and I didn't want to pay the $70 for one at the Zgallerie, so I decided to just make my own. And this is what it looks like. I am absolutely in love with how this project turned out. It came out very beautifully, and it is budget friendly. Hey, bougie on a budget. If you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed creating it, go ahead and give your girls a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and make sure you hit that bell button to turn on your notifications. That way, whenever I do upload a video, you will never miss another upload from me again. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you guys in the next DIY.